All right, bro. I hope this shit works. So this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna go to promote, click website, edit that thing. So click the edit button so you can change your website on there, and also click your action button. I would do watch more because you're trying to get them to watch the video or listen to the thing. Go to next. This is where we're going to define your audience. I already have a bunch of ones set up. We're going to do create your own to make a new one. Make your name the audience, of course. Put whatever you want to put in there. And then we're going to go to the region, the locations that you want to put. You're going to type in California and then type in New York. Make sure it's the region, so it'll do the whole area of California, the whole area of New York. If you want to add any other locations, do so. This is where you're going to type in your interest, add in whatever interest that you want. The more interest that you put in there, of course, the more targeted your reach is going to get. So this just depends. How targeted do you want to get? Do you want to be vague? Do you want to have as many people as you can possibly get, or do you want people that are specifically coming for whatever it is that you want to promote? Just play around with this shit, try different things. And then of course your age and gender, you want to do under 40, so do that. You can do that however you want it though. And then you click next, and then this is where you do your budget. You say you want to do $100, so this is how you would do it. $90 over 30 days. Me personally, I just do like $2 a day for 30 days. But do what you need, and then of course you create the promotion.